Hello folks, today I want to talk to you about looping, or how to make the computer carry out the same set of instructions over and over again. Now say I wanted to print the numbers 1 to 10 on the screen in order. How would I do that? Well, I could just do system.out.println, and I could do that for each number in turn, up say to 10. But A, that would be very boring and take a long time. And B, if I wanted a bigger number, say 100 or 1,000, it could start to get seriously awkward. So this probably isn't a good way to do anything. The computer, though, has thought of this and has a built-in function to help you. In fact, it has several built-in functions. The one we're looking at today is called a while loop. So to use a while loop is actually relatively easy. So the first thing you do is you make a variable. I'm going to call mine count. Int count equals 1. That's 2, mistake there, sorry about that. Int count equals 1. And then after that you type while. And while means, okay, we're about to repeat something. Then put a space and some brackets. Inside the brackets, what do you want to keep doing until something happens? So until count is less than 11. So while count, that's an 11, sorry, my mistake. Whilst that's an 11, it's going to keep on doing this. So we now put brackets after it, and perfect, there we are. We now have whatever is in between these brackets here will be repeated until count is greater than 11. So whilst less than 11, it's going to keep going. So it's going to move this back up here. And now, so I should cut that, shouldn't I really? Now, finally, system.out.println, in here we type count. If you can spell it, of course. So now I've typed count in there. System.out.println count. So finally, we have got count equals 1. We have said keep looping while count less than 11, and then we've said print count. So finally, count has to increase by 1 each time. Now to increase count by 1, we could just write count equals count plus 1. But that's quite inefficient actually. There is a built-in feature in Java that does that for us. All you do is type count plus equals 1. And then, hopefully it's all there. So at this point, just try and run the program and see what happens. Oh look, here we are. That's my console. It counts from 1 to 10 in 4 lines of code, as opposed to 10 print line instructions. And we can go to any number we want to on this, and the number of lines will stay the same. So say I want to do 1,000. The system will count to them using this in a matter of seconds, as you can see. So, for while loops, guys, don't forget, first, make a variable you want to increase. Then, save a criteria, type while, type a criteria here. Then, in between the curly brackets, you say what you want to happen, and if you want to increase the variable by 1 or by 2 or by 3, then please do. Don't forget, guys, you can also increase number by 2. So if I put it that way, count equals count plus 2, and I set it back to 10 again, hopefully my console now is counting in 2s, or even I could do, say, 4s or 5s. Only one number is going to appear now. I think, yeah, 1 and 6. Start at 1, add 5, it gets 10, it won't go there. But you can do the whole times table for any number using a while loop. Okay? So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Adios.